Welcome to AI Frontiers, where we explore the new horizons of machine learning research. In today's episode, we'll journey through 36 recent papers from the Computer Science Machine Learning category, or cs.LG, published on September 21, 2025. Join us as we examine how artificial intelligence is becoming smarter, more efficient, and more responsible, spanning from breakthroughs in medical training to advances in ethical AI. Featuring a deep dive into arXiv and colleagues' educational platform, this episode invites listeners to discover how today's AI breakthroughs are shaping tomorrow's world. Imagine a world where your phone's artificial intelligence not only learns at record speed, but can also forget your personal data on command, offer life-saving insights in healthcare, and predict the next big shift in financial markets. This new era of AI is redefining privacy, empowering doctors to detect brain tumors with greater accuracy, and making advanced models more ethical and accessible. The research highlighted today demonstrates that these futures are closer than ever. Let's explore how the latest innovations are transforming everyday experiences, making AI more aligned with the needs and values of society. Machine learning is the engine that drives modern artificial intelligence, powering applications from healthcare diagnostics to the infrastructure of smart cities. Today's discussion centers on 36 research papers that capture the leading edge of the field, each contributing to a deeper understanding of AI's capabilities and societal impact. We will delve into the major themes, spotlight game-changing methods, and examine the practical implications these advances bring. Whether you are a researcher, a technology enthusiast, or simply curious about the evolution of machine learning, this episode offers fresh insights into how AI is becoming more accessible, responsible, and impactful. Think of machine learning as the nervous system of artificial intelligence, constantly sensing, adapting, and making decisions that influence countless aspects of modern life. In supervised learning, models learn from labeled data, much like a student guided by a teacher's corrections. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, resembles a detective uncovering patterns without direct instruction, while reinforcement learning mirrors the process of a puppy, learning new tricks through trial and error. The cs.LG research landscape is a mosaic, with each paper adding a unique tile to the broader picture of AI innovation. Key technical distinctions, such as supervised versus unsupervised learning, are foundational to understanding the complexity and diversity of approaches in the field. The first major theme is the application of machine learning as a scientific microscope, enabling unprecedented insight into complex domains such as medicine, energy, and engineering design. Notably, arXiv and collaborators developed a platform that advances both the training of medical professionals and AI systems by leveraging the BRATS challenge, which focuses on brain tumor segmentation in MRI scans. In the realm of molecular discovery, Batchelor and colleagues deployed active learning strategies that accelerate the identification of new molecular structures, while Jacob's team introduced methods for rapid, high-resolution aerodynamic modeling to enhance the safety and performance of vehicles. Collectively, these innovations position AI as a powerful tool for scientific exploration, offering deeper and more efficient analyses across disciplines. The second key theme is the drive towards leaner and more nimble models, emphasizing efficiency and broader accessibility in artificial intelligence. Researchers such as He Xiao and team have demonstrated that large language models can be compressed using 3-bit quantization, significantly reducing computational demands while preserving accuracy. Federated learning has emerged as a method for distributing model training across numerous devices, enabling AI to operate effectively at the edge, including on smartphones rather than solely in the cloud. These optimizations are akin to packing a race car engine into a city car, or efficiently organizing a suitcase for a long journey, maximizing capability while minimizing resource requirements and ensuring advanced AI can be deployed widely. Representation learning and generalization constitute the third theme, focusing on an AI's ability to extract meaningful patterns from complex and noisy data. Liang and colleagues have addressed the challenges of missing data in healthcare by developing neural architectures that can model real-world absence of information, leading to more robust predictions. Inspiration from biological systems has influenced the design of these architectures, resulting in models that process data in brain-like ways and generalize more effectively to new, unseen scenarios. This theme is illustrated by the metaphor of a detective skillfully sorting through clues to solve a case, highlighting the critical importance of extracting and applying relevant insights from intricate datasets. Examining stories from the cutting edge, several impactful research highlights stand out. He Xiao and colleagues achieved significant compression of large models with minimal loss of accuracy, facilitating the deployment of advanced AI on mobile devices. Bachelor's team, through active learning, accelerated molecular discovery by 33%, improving research efficiency. Liang's work on non-random missingness in healthcare data resulted in a 13% improvement in hospital readmission predictions. Jacob's group enabled high-resolution engineering simulations at reduced cost and increased speed, while Derhak and Associates introduced new metrics for auditing AI fairness, simplifying the evaluation of bias and model performance. Focusing now on the featured paper of the day, Amaruddin and collaborators addressed the critical need for high-quality data in the development of reliable medical AI. Their innovative educational platform merges the disciplines of medicine, artificial intelligence, and data annotation. 56 medical trainees participated as annotation coordinators, learning through hands-on involvement in the Maikai Bratz Challenge, which centers on segmenting brain tumors in real MRI cases. The technical process of data annotation transforms raw medical scans into gold-standard datasets, providing the foundation for both robust AI model training and the education of future clinicians. The educational strategy implemented by Amaruddin and colleagues paired trainees with expert doctors, fostering a collaborative and immersive learning environment. In 2025 alone, this initiative produced over 1,200 expert-level tumor segmentations, representing a substantial contribution to both clinical and computational resources. Participants' self-reported confidence in using annotation software increased from 6 to 8.9 out of 10, while their understanding of brain tumor features improved from 6.2 to 8.1. This approach bridges the gap between data science and clinical expertise, ensuring that both AI systems and the medical professionals who use them are highly proficient. The inclusive and impactful nature of the Amaruddin platform is evident in its dual benefits. It elevates the quality of AI models while simultaneously advancing the training of clinicians. Importantly, the platform is accessible to individuals without advanced programming skills, broadening participation and fostering diversity. This collaborative, human-centered approach encourages co-creation of tools by students and doctors, setting a precedent for AI-empowered education across disciplines. The metaphor of synergy captures this dynamic: humans and AI working together to shape the future of medicine and healthcare. Looking toward the future, the progress in machine learning can be likened to a river that is branching out into new fields such as medicine, engineering, and urban planning. Efficiency is becoming essential, with techniques like quantization, federated learning, and progressive trading enabling powerful AI systems to operate in more varied and resource-constrained environments. At the same time, the field is placing greater emphasis on responsibility, with advances in fairness, uncertainty quantification, privacy, and mechanisms for unlearning specific data. These developments illustrate the expanding reach and deepening impact of AI, suggesting that the next breakthrough may originate from any corner of the community. In summary, today's advances in artificial intelligence are making the field not only smarter, but also more ethical, accessible, and centered on human needs. The work of Amaruddin and peers highlights the dual technical and social impacts of modern AI. Open-source tools and collaborative efforts are helping to democratize access and foster innovation. The frontier of AI remains open, presenting opportunities for anyone to contribute new ideas and insights. Listeners are encouraged to explore, question, and actively participate in the ongoing AI revolution. This narrative has been synthesized using advanced AI tools and human expertise. GPT 4.1 from OpenAI was utilized for extracting key insights, while DeepGram TTS prepared the spoken narration. Visuals accompanying this episode were generated through OpenAI platforms, and the content was reviewed by human experts to ensure context and accuracy. All referenced papers are transparently cited for further exploration. Listeners are reminded that, despite thorough review, some oversights may remain. Critical engagement and independent verification are encouraged. Stay connected with AI Frontiers by subscribing for more in-depth analyses of AI research. Share your questions and perspectives in the comments to enrich the community discussion. This is the AI Frontiers channel, and we thank you for joining us on today's exploration. Your journey into the world of AI innovation continues here. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprint server.